Good morning, children. Today you will do work in English practice book. Open page number 49. Children, write down day and date on the top of this page. Now let's read the heading Tommy the Pet. Now read the paragraph. Has is used for he, she, it and with one person, place or thing. Have is used for I, you, we or they and with more than one person, place or thing. Now see children, look at the table. One table is given over here and you are familiar with the concept of has and have. And children, you know that have is used for I, you, we, they and has is used for he, she, it. Now read the heading. Now complete the following sentences using has or have. See children, some incomplete sentences are given over here. So use has or have and complete the following sentences. Read the first one. I dash a toy. Children, you know that have is used for I. So we will write have over here. I have a toy. Now read the next one. He dash a boat. Yes, you know that has is used for he. So we will write has over here. He has a boat. Read the next one. The elephant dash big ears. Children, we are talking about one animal. So we will write has over here. The elephant has big ears. Now read the next one. Tim dash a story book. We are talking about one person. So we will write has over here. Tim has a story book. Read the last one. We dash a holiday on Monday. We are talking about more than one person. So we will write have over here. We have a holiday on Monday. Fill in the blanks with has or have. See children, some fill-ups are given over here. You will fill the blanks and then complete the sentence. Children, you are familiar with the concept of has or have and you know that has is used with he, she, it or with single person, place, animal or thing. And have is used with I, you, we, they and with more than one person, place, animal or thing. Now let's start the work. Read the first sentence. Ravi has a bat. Gitu dash a doll. Children, we are talking about one girl. We will use has. Gitu has a doll. I dash a top. Children, you know that have is used with I. So we will write have over here. I have a top. We play in the garden. See children, children are playing in the garden. Now come to the next paragraph and read the first fill-up. Seema dash a jeep. We are talking about one girl. We will use has. Seema has a jeep. Sunil dash a yo-yo. We are talking about one boy. So we will use has over here. Sunil has a yo-yo. I dash a car. Yes children, you know that have is used with I. We will write have over here. I have a car. We play in the room. See children, children are playing in the room. Now come to the next page and read the first fill up. I dash balloons. Children, you know that have is used with I. We will write have over here. I have balloons. You dash balls. Yes, children, you know that have is used with you. We will write have over here. You have balls. Ram dash a bell. We are talking about one boy. So we will write has over here. Ram has a bell. We play in the field. See children, children are playing in the field. Now come to the next paragraph and read the first fill up. We dash 3 flowers. Children, we are talking about more than one person. We will write have over here. We have 3 flowers. They dash 5 flowers. We are talking about more than one person. We will write have over here. They have 5 flowers. One flower is red. Children, do this work neatly with the help of your parents. Thank you, children.